a Telegram-based Web3 mining sim on Solana where you can buy hash power, claim GNME tokens, and no hardware required. Are you interested? We're going to jump in. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Let's get to the game. Feel like you make amazing content, but it's buried in the YouTube algorithm? You want to rank to the top fast. You want to dominate your niche. Let me introduce you YT Ranker and show you how it's done.
First, we'll open up an incognito window so we can keep our browsing history fresh. So we'll set our language to English, our country to the USA, and let's go ahead and search for some terms here. Let's try proxy for you. We can see I'm at the top. And then proxy for you tutorial. Here it is. My video is right at the top, and that's because of the strategy. Ready to stop blending in and start leading in your niche? Visit ytranker.net. where visibility meets real results. Let's get back to the video.
All right, everyone. What if I told you you could have fun playing a game? This is Play to Earn with GNME Mining. Now, how do you do it? Well, this is really exciting. GNME is ready to go. A mining simulator where you mine tokens, complete quests. Play to Earn has never been better. We're going to jump in. But before we do, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So maybe you've heard of Play to Earn, maybe you've even experienced it. But you might be wondering how it works. Simply register, you deposit your Solana, then you get hash power. With that hash power, then you're in a better place because then you can start the mining process and getting those rewards. And it's really that simple. Then you just claim your rewards, use the referral program. Users pay directly through a Telegram bot. So if you're wondering how to do that, you want to jump on Telegram, you purchase hash power, and then you get rewards. It's claimable every 15 minutes. So gaming has never been that better. Now, how do tokenomics work? It is capped at a supply of 21 million tokens. Tokens are distributed through the mining simulator reward system, and token burns have been introduced in stages to reduce supply. And as we can see, it's built on the Solana blockchain, accessible even without a browser wallet. So usually I'd say like get or through wallet, do all that, but the tokens actually can be traded on decentralized exchanges, DEXs, and the community is definitely active on Telegram, as we can see right here. So jump on Telegram, Twitter, GitHub, and it's built more for entertainment and education than investing, but still, the token price is volatile with a low trading volume, and now's the time to jump in. Ownership is centralized with a few wallets, but there's some really cool things here. Check out the FAQs, and guys, you can start now. Start mining, and also join the community. I highly recommend it. Web3, Solana, and of course, read the risks here. That's one really cool thing. So you can click join the community right here. I would pop open the Telegram, as you can see, and then you can simply join the channel. You want to tap to verify, and then go ahead and launch it here. And then you'll have the safeguard. You just go ahead and verify, click in, join. So that's how you can join. Absolutely awesome. And I really like this. Now, a couple other things. There's several burn phases, as we can see here. The rate is on. There's future goals, and they include expanding the community features, offering a hands-on experience, and this project provides even contract visibility via GitHub code, as we can see here. That's really exciting. So you can check out the portal. You can start mining right here. We can see the game. This is the actual bot. So you can start here, and we can see here all the options: deposit SOL, global stats, how it works, trade, buy hash power, and do everything here, which is really cool. Then you can see how to do it. You just deposit to that SOL address. So that is it in a nutshell. Very cool. I am digging this, and you can find all the important links up here. Dex Screener, Telegram, Twitter, where you can play, and definitely give them a big follow on X right here. Yes, the one, the only GNME Mining. You can see just over 1,000, and it keeps growing. The gnomes are excited. I hope you are too. This is a really interesting concept. Plus, who doesn't want to earn some some Bitcoin, or just have fun with the game? And with this Telegram-based Web3 mining simulator on Solana, I think this is a great way to do it. You don't even need hardware. So Let me know what you think down below. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.